Chapter 2, Input, Output, Memory Devices. In this chapter, we are discussing about different input devices, output devices, and memory devices. First, input devices. Input devices is used to enter data to the computer. That is, user enter the data using this input devices. Then what is the function of these input devices? User enter the data to the input device. This input device accept that data and convert it into a machine readable form or binary form, because the user entering the data that is not understandable by the computer. So this input device accept that data and convert it into binary form. Then what are all the different input devices? Keyboard, mouse, joystick, trackball, microphone, scanner, etc. are the different input devices. Then first, keyboard. What is a keyboard? This keyboard is an input device. It is used to enter text, numbers and special characters to the computer, and this keyboard converts this, accept the text from the user and convert it into machine readable form. That is, user enter the data using this keyboard, that is text or special characters or numbers and all enter using this keyboard, and then that keyboard convert that text, numbers and special characters into binary form or machine readable form. Then what are the different types of keys on the keyboard? First one, alphabetic key. Alphabetic key means that alphabetic key is used to enter alphabets or letters. Then second one, numeric keys. It is used to enter numbers. Then punctuation keys. It is used to enter the symbols like less than, greater than, brackets, etc. Then fourth one, functional keys. Functional keys is used to perform some specific functions, that F2, F1, F9 are the functional keys. Next, types of keyboard. There are different types of keyboards are there. Standard keyboard, ergonomic keyboard, wireless keyboard, virtual keyboard and then compact keyboard. Then first one, standard keyboard. Standard keyboard is the most common type of keyboard. Then it is also known as QWERTY keyboard, because in the first row the alphabet is in the order Q, W, E, R, T, Y. That first row letters are in the order Q, 6 letters Q, W, E, R, T, Y. That's why it is known as QWERTY keyboard. And the second one, ergonomics keyboard. Ergonomics refers to the study of methods that can reduce stress on muscles. Then what is this ergonomic keyboard? In ergonomic keyboard, work can be carried out in the easiest manner with the least possible strain on muscle joint. Means if you are typing with this ergonomic keyboard, you will feel very less stress on your muscles. That is the speciality of this ergonomics keyboard. Third one, wireless keyboard. Wireless keyboard means there is no wire between this computer and the keyboard, or there is no physical connection between this keyboard and computer. Fourth one, virtual keyboard. Virtual keyboard means actually that keyboard is not there. Virtual keyboard means actually that keyboard is not there, but that screen is act as a keyboard. Means in phone you can see we can enter letters or alphabets using the keyboard on the touch screen, but actually that keyboard is not there. That screen is acting as a keyboard, and data we can enter through by pressing the keys on that touch screen. Fifth one, compact keyboard. Compact keyboard means it is used for the laptop. Then difference between compact keyboard and standard keyboard is that special numeric keypad is not there in the compact keyboard. That is the difference between standard keyboard and compact keyboard. Then the different types of keyboards are standard keyboard, ergonomics keyboard, wireless keyboard, virtual keyboard and compact keyboard. Standard keyboard means QWERTY keyboard. The most common types of keyboard is standard keyboard. Then second one, ergonomics keyboard. Ergonomics means if you are typing with the ergonomics keyboard, you will feel very less stress on your muscles. And the third one, wireless keyboard. Wireless keyboard means there will not be any physical connection between this keyboard and wire, or it is not physically connected through a wire. Fourth one, virtual keyboard. Virtual keyboard means actually that keyboard is not there, but that screen acts as a keyboard. We can enter the data through this to the computer through this virtual keyboard or through that screen. Compact keyboard means the laptop keyboard. In that laptop keyboard, that special numeric keypad is not there. Next, input device is mouse. Full form of mouse is mechanically operated user serial engine. Mechanically operated user serial engine. Then what's a mouse? Mouse is a pointing device that controls the movement of the cursor on the computer. If you are moving that mouse in one direction, the cursor also moves in the same direction. Then there are different types of mouse also there. Scroller mouse, normal mouse and all. Then joystick, it is used to play games in computer system. Next, scanner or optical input devices. OMR, OCR and MICR. OMR, OCR and MICR. This OMR, OCR and MICR are scanners. Scanners are input devices. Then what is this OMR? OMR full form is optical mark reader. OCR, optical character recognition. MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. Magnetic ink character recognition. Then OMR means optical mark reader. It is a device that reads pencil marks and converts them into machine readable form. That is, in objective type examination, you can see that OMR answer sheet. In that, how can we enter the answer? Using the pencil, we are marking that circles. Then this OMR or optical mark reader reads that pencil marks and convert that pencil marks into a machine readable form. That is why this OMR is used in the objective type examination. Then the second type of scanner, that is OCR. OCR is the normal scanner. OCR, optical character recognition. This OCR detect the characters written or printed on paper. That is the normal scanner. If you are scanning one paper, you can get that data in the to the computer. Then MICR. MICR is magnetic ink character recognition. That is, MICR is also a scanner or input device that it detects the magnetically charged ink characters. That is, for example, in check, that account number or check number, bank identification number, accounts number, etc. are entered using this magnetically charged ink. So this check number, everything can be detecting. This MICR detecting that check number, bank identification, account number, etc. and convert it into machine readable form. These are the different scanners or optical input devices, OMR, OCR and MICR. OMR is optical mark reader, OCR optical character recognition, MICR magnetic ink character recognition. Then what are all the applications of this OMR, OCR and MICR? OMR is used in objective type examination. OCR is using to scan a paper. Then MICR is used to scan a check.